Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade Webull on TradingView. First, open TradingView and navigate to the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Look for the list of available brokers. Webull should be listed there as a supported option. Click on the Webull icon to begin the connection process. Make sure you have your Webull account credentials ready for the next step. After selecting Webull, a new window will appear prompting you to log into your Webull account. Enter your username and password carefully. You will then be asked to grant TradingView the necessary permissions to access your Webull account for trading. Review these permissions and confirm. Once authorized, your Webull account will be successfully linked, and you'll see your account details in the trading panel. With your Webull account connected, you can now place trades directly from TradingView charts. Select the asset you wish to trade and use the buy or sell buttons that appear on the chart or in the order panel. Input your desired order type, such as market or limit, along with the quantity of shares or contracts. Always double-check all order details before confirming to ensure accuracy. Once your trades are placed, you can monitor them directly within the trading panel on TradingView. Here, you'll see your open positions, pending orders, and account balance. You have the flexibility to modify or close existing orders with just a few clicks. The platform also provides access to your complete order history, helping you manage your portfolio effectively and track your trading performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.